Hi, welcome to Fusion Beads. Today I'm going to show you how to create the My Heart initial necklace. This necklace is made using these cute little heart letter beads in sterling silver that you can personalize with any initials you want for yourself or someone special. They're strung on the sterling silver 18-inch beading chain with a sterling silver hook clasp at the top. It's the perfect necklace to make for the moms in your life this Mother's Day or any time of year. To make this necklace, you're going to need the 7mm HTNA sterling silver alphabet heart beads. We have the whole alphabet, so you can choose any initials that work for you. You're also going to need one sterling silver crimp cord and clasp, and then 18 inches of sterling silver beading chain. And then for the tools, you're just going to need some chain nose pliers. You can find all of the product links in the description below. Okay, let's get started. To make the My Heart initial necklace, you first want to string the initial beads in the order you prefer onto the 18-inch length of beading chain. So you want to take your chain and then string up your beads. Okay, and then once you have those on there, you just want to add your clasp at the ends. So you want to place the beading chain inside until it reaches the end here, right there. So just put that beading chain in. See how it can just poke through the other end, but you want to just have it sit right so it's at the top, at the end right here. Okay, so then once you have that in place, you want to take your chain nose pliers and you're just going to squeeze the center area here until it's flat. Okay. Okay, and just give it a good squeeze right there in the center. Okay, and then you can see that the beading chain is nice and secure right in that crimp end. So then you just want to repeat that for the other end of the clasp. Just put your beading chain through. Then this middle section here. Oops. Just going to hold that. There we go. And then just beading chain right up to the end. And then just give it a good squeeze to crimp that middle section. Okay, so there you have your clasp attached. And now you have the perfect Mother's Day necklace to wear all year round for yourself or any other special moms in your life. You can find all of the tools and materials to make this My Heart initial necklace at fusionbeads.com.